Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to send a direct message on the new Threads app. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, before we go on with the video, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that you get notifications to know when the video is uploaded on this channel. So now for you to send a DM on the Threads by Instagram application, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your Threads application is updated to the latest version. So you're just going to search for Threads on Instagram app, either on your Google Play Store or on your Apple App Store, and then you just check the application to make sure there are no new updates on the application. So now once you're done with that, you're just going to open the application, and then I'm kind of like speculating that you already logged in into your account, and you can see right now this is my account. Now right now there's only one way you can send DM on Threads, and basically the name of the app is Threads by Instagram, meaning right now it is not totally a standalone social media application. It's kind of like connected to Instagram. That's why it's Threads by Instagram. And basically Instagram is not making it like its own application right now because they want you to use Instagram. So basically they are kind of like merging the features between Threads and Instagram. So basically Threads is like a text-based social media service that also allows you to post pictures and videos, but then when it comes to the DM feature, you're going to be redirected to Instagram to send DMs. Now for you to do this, you're just going to tap on the profile of whoever you want to send the DM to, and then at the top right corner of the screen you're going to tap on the Instagram icon. Now once you tap on that, it's going to direct you to Instagram, and then you can now send a message directly to whoever you want to DM using Instagram. So basically guys, that's all for the video. I hope the video was helpful to you guys. If you still haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to tap on the bell icon so that I get notifications whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.